So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a filter to an image here on Visme. So once Visme is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is first off add an image into your presentation. So for me here, we're going to go to the left-hand side of the screen, press on the Photos tab. Then under Photos tab, we're just going to go to the Photos option right here. And then under All Photos, how about we just go ahead and select this image right here of what it looks like to be, some different colors, some different shades of colors, whatever the case may be here. We're going to make it a little bit larger so that it's easier to see. Now, if you want to add a filter to this image, it's very straightforward. First off, what you have to do is press on the image right here. Go to the top left-hand side of your screen and press on the Edit tab. And then when you're on the Edit tab, this option opens up on the left-hand side. And if you were to scroll down to Filters right here and go ahead and press on More, then you can view a whole bunch of different filters for the photos. So you can go to this filter, just sort of hover over top of it to see what it might look like. So if you like a photo filter, go ahead and make it by pressing on it right there. And there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add a filter to an image here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.